dear students. Today we are studying about the 23rd lesson, that is trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. In the previous lesson we studied about the six trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec and cotangent. And here there are the values of, that is including evaluation of an expression involving trigonometrical ratios. Here we are studying about the values of the trigonometrical ratios, that is sine 30, sine 60, sine 0, etc, etc. And how can we evaluate the values of these ratios? And here there is an equilateral triangle, that is ABC, and side of AB is equal to 2A. That is, this is an equilateral triangle, so that the side AC is equal to 2A, and also BD is equal to 2A. BD is equal to 2A, and here this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral triangle ABC. And what is the value of BD? What is BD? BD is equal to, we know that what is a BD is equal to, this is an AD is, AD is the perpendicular. This is triangle ABC and AD is the perpendicular. And from this perpendicular we know that what is perpendicular means, that is dividing this ABC into two equal parts. That is BD is equal to BC by 2. BC by 2. BD is equal to BC divided by 2. BC, what is BC? BC is equal to 2A by 2. And cancelling this 2, we get A. And BD is equal to A and BC is equal to A. Okay, BD is equal to A and BC is equal to A. And then after that we want to calculate the value, that is the side AD. Calculate side AD. We know that by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is it? We know that the hypotenuse square, that is AB square, is equal to AD square plus BD square, and AD square is equal to, what is AD square? AD square is equal to AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. And what is it? AD square is equal to, what is AB? AB is equal to 2A the whole square, minus BD is equal to A the whole square, and that is equal to 3A the whole square. 3A square. And what is AD? AD square is equal to 3A square. And what is AD? AD is equal to this root 3 into A. And here this length of AD is equal to root 3A. Root 3A, that is the value of AD. Since each angle of an equilateral triangle, what is the angle of an equilateral triangle? We know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is equal to 60 degree. And what is the value of A? What is the value of A? That is equal to angle BAD. What is the value of angle BAD? And here we know that what is angle B is equal to 60 degree. That means that this is an equilateral triangle, and here this is a perpendicular, so that the value of this is equal to 90 degree, and here also 90 degree. And what is A? A is equal to angle BAD is equal to the total value of the angle, some property of a right triangle is equal to 180 degree. That is 180 minus the 60 plus 90. 60 plus 90. 180 minus 60 plus 90 is equal to 30 degree. And the value of A is equal to 30 degree. The value of A is equal to 30 degree. Okay, this in triangle ABD. What are the values of these ratios? And what is the first ratio? That is equal to sine. That is, we are finding the values of 60. Sine 60 is equal to, what is it? We know that what is sine 60? Sine ratio is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. That is equal to AD by AB. That is, what is the value of AD? AD is equal to root 3 by a root 3a by 2a, root 3a by 2a, and cancelling this a we get root 3 by 2. And what is sine 60? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and you should by heart these values, that is sine 60, and next is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to, we know that what is the ratio of cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is equal to BD, that is equal to A by base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse, that is equal to A by, that is BD by AB, that is equal to 2A, and here also cancelling this 2A, and here we get 1 by 2. And what is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. And the next ratio is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to, we know that what is it? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base, and here that is equal to perpendicular is root 3 by root 3 a by base is equal to a, and cancelling this 2 we get root 3. And these are the three values. First three values of 60, that is sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and tan 60 is equal to root 3. And also for this cosec, sec and cot, the reciprocal, and we should take the reciprocal values of this. What is it? Cos sine, the reciprocal of sine is, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular is equal to 2a by root 3a, and we get 2 by root 3. That is the reciprocal value of sine is equal to cosec, and cosec is equal to root 3 by 2. Cosec is equal to root 3 by 2, and sec is equal to, we know what is it, the reciprocal of 2, that is 2 by 1, that is 2, and that is cot is equal to, that is equal to 1 by root 3, 1 by root. These are the first values of 60, that is cosec 60, sec 60, and tan 60. Okay. Next is the values for 30. That is what are the trigonometrical ratios for the value 30. And here this is ABC, and here 30 is the angle. The 30 is the angle, and here the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular, and this is the perpendicular, and this is the base. And so that, what is it? First of all, that is sine 30 is equal to, sine 30 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular, that is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular is a by hypotenuse is, that is, this is 2a, we know that is 2a, and cancelling this we get 1 by 2. Cancelling this, cancelling a we get 1 by 2, and then next is equal to cos 30. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse, what is here? Base is equal to, here this is the base, and what is it? Root 3a by hypotenuse is equal to 2a, and cancelling 2 we get root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, and last one it is tan 30. Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to that is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base is equal to, perpendicular is a by base is equal to root 3a, and cancelling this a we get 1 by root 3. Okay, these are the three values, sin 30 and cos 30 and tan 30, and take the reciprocal of this, we get what is it? Cosec, sec and cot. Next is the trigonometrical ratios of angle 45 degree. Next is trigonometrical ratios of angle 45 degree. Here this is a right angle triangle, and this angle is equal to 45 degree, and this is the angle B is equal to 90 degree, and for that, what is it? Sine 45 degree is equal to, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular hypotenuse is equal to, perpendicular is here, it is equal to a, that is perpendicular, this is perpendicular and this is base, and a by root 2a, and cancelling this a we get, that is 1 by root 2, and then next is equal to cos 45. Cos 45 degree is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is equal to base by hypotenuse is equal to base is equal to a by hypotenuse root 2a, and cancelling this we get 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and the last one is tan 45. Tan 45 degree is equal to, what is it, that is equal to perpendicular by base is equal to, that is equal to, what is it, that is, this is the base, that is perpendicular is a by a is equal to 1. That is, cancelling this 2 we get 1. That is, tan 45 is equal to perpendicular, this is a, and the base is a, that is tan 45 is equal to 1. And also, that is, also remember that sine 0 is equal to 0, and cos 0 is equal to 1, and sine 90 is equal to 1, and cos 90 is equal to 0. Also remember these values, that is sine 0 is equal to 0, and cos 0 is equal to 1, and sine 90 is equal to 1, and cos 90 is equal to 0. Here are the values, that is the values of standard angles. That is, the angles are, we know that there is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. And what are the values of these ratios? That is sine. For sine 0, there is, this table is in your textbook. So this is to be by heart. That is, you should by heart this this chart. That is, this is useful for the 10th standard also. So that is, what is the value of sine 0? Sine 0 is equal to 0, and sine 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2, and sine 45 degrees equal to 1 by 2, sine 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is equal to 1. And here the sine values are increases, that is from 0 to increases from 0 to 1, and then the cos values are cos 0 is equal to 1, and cos 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2, and cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, and cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2, and cos 90 is equal to 0. Here cos values are decreases from 1 to 0, 1 up to 0, that is 1 to 0. And here the tan values, what are the tan values? That is tan 0 is equal to 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0, and tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, tan 45 is equal to 1, and tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3, and tan 90 is not defined. Tan 90 is infinity, so not defined, and also cot 0 is also not defined, and this is also infinity, that is cot 30 degrees equal to root 3, and cot 45 degrees equal to 1, and cot 60 degrees equal to 1 by root 3, and cot 90 is equal to 0, and sec value, sec 0 is equal to 1, and sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3, sec 45 is equal to 2, and these are reciprocals of this, that is sec is equal to, that is the reciprocal of this, that is root 2 by 1, that is root 2, and then sec 60 is equal to the reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1, that is 2, and sec 90 is not defined, that is also infinity, and that is cosec. Cosec values is cosec 0 is not defined, and then cosec 30 is equal to 2, and that is the reciprocal of sine. That is sine values, reciprocal of sine values, that is cosec 30 is equal to, that is 2 by 1, that is 2, and cosec 45 is equal to root 1 by, this is sine 45 is 1 by root 2, and cosec 45 is equal to root 2 by 1, that is root 2, and then cosec 60 is equal to, that is root 3 by 2, and here it is sine is root 3 by 2, cosec is equal to 2 by root 3, the reciprocal of sine. And last one, it is cosec 90 is 1. Cosec 90 is equal to 1. These are the ratios, the values of this trigonometrical, 6 trigonometrical ratio, and you should by heart this. Okay. Let's do some problem, that is find the value of sine 30 and into cos 30 degree. What is sine 30 degree? That is sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, and sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 into what is cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, and is equal to, what is it? Root 3 by 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This is the answer, root 3 by 4. Okay, next question, prove that sine 60 into cos 60 plus cos 60 into sine 30 is equal to 1. cos sin 60 into cos 30 plus cos 60 into sin 30 is equal to 1. That is, we want to prove that is equal to, that is RHS is equal to 1. And what are the values of this? Sin 60 is equal to, that is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 and plus cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 60 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to, that uh, is equal to 1. Okay, and then what is said, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. 3 by 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. And we get that is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. That is, this is RHS. Okay, RHS. We get the RHS. Here, if sin x is equal to cos x and x is acute, state the value of x. State the value of x. That is, here it is x is acute. Here x is acute. That is, we know that what is it equal to 0 less than x. 0 less than x. Acute angle means 0 less than x. And that is what is it? That is, we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Here sin x is equal to cos x. If sin x is equal to cos x, what is the value of x? That is putting the value of, that is, here it is on behalf of, that is cos square x, put the value of sin x, that is equal to sin square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. That is equal to, what is it? That is sin x is equal to cos x. Okay. And then that is sin square x plus sin square x is equal to 2 sin square x is equal to 1. And then sin square x is equal to 1 by, this 2 goes to right side, that is 1 by 2. And sin x is equal to 1 by root 2. And what is the value of x? And here it is x is equal to sin, we know that sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. And here that is, what is it? Sin 45. X is equal to sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. And x is equal to 45 degree. Okay. X is equal to 45 degree. Okay, here is the question, that is, if a is equal to 30, show that 1 minus cos 2a by sin 2a is equal to tan a. This is from the second exercise, and here this is a is equal to 30. Put here a is equal to 30. We want to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. And here what is it? Put the values of a is equal to 30. That is 1 minus cos 2 into 30 divided by sin 2 into 30 is equal to tan 30. Okay. And here what is it? 1 minus cos 2 into 30, that is 60 by sin 60 is equal to tan 30. Okay. And put the values of cos 60 and sin 60, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 divided by, that is sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. And is equal to, that is here taking the LCM, that is, this is 2 raised to this 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, and cancelling this 2, that is 1 by root 3. And here what is tan 30? Tan 30 is also 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is also 1 by root 3. That is, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Next is solving a trigonometric equation. And this is the last exercise. And this is the question solved for x. And what is it? That is, the question is 2 cos 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cos 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. And here what is it? That is cos 2 cos 3x is equal to, that is taking this 1 to the right side. And then cos 3x is equal to, and taking this 2 also goes to the right side, that is 1 by 2. And what is the value of cos? That is 1 by 2. That is equal to cos 1 by 2 is equal to 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to, that is 60, that is 3x is equal to 60 degree. And what is x? X is equal, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal, degree is equal to 1 by 2. And here the 3x is equal to, and x is equal to 60 by 3 and is equal to 20 degree. And what is the value of x? X is equal to 20 degree. That is, hope you understood this lesson, and also you should by heart the table. Okay, this is useful for you this year and the next year also. So thank you.